We are continuing to learn to fly FPV using the DJI Neo Motion Fly More combo, and it is a really good price at £449 and we are absolutely loving it. I have heard some bad reports on the Neo, but at the moment it's all good for what we're using it for, so I do highly recommend have a look at this combo at $449. And let me show you now the video that we've got. So this is in beginner's mode and we're flying around the garden, and we're going to make a left-hand turn here, flying close to the grass as low as you can go. It never seems to hit the ground, so it's really good there. And we'll just pull up and go over the railings there and down the driveway, and we are having so much fun with the DJI Neo using FPV mode. And I'm going to be using this drone over in Australia, the US and here, using the takeoff from the hand to do the usual videoing for dronies, circles, etc. But I really want to get into FPV and bring you guys some spectacular video from around the world. So we are continuing to practice, and I think you'll find that second flight I'm doing really well. So I'm using the goggles N3, and it's given me a really clear display as I fly around the garden here. And we're in 4K 30, and I think you'll agree also as well there, the video quality and colours are really good. No filters on this whatsoever. I'm using the motion controller, so to turn the drone, it's simply turn your wrist to the left, for example now, and pull the trigger and pull forward to go up, pull forward down to go down a little bit, and obviously to make a right hand turn, twist your wrist to the right. So it really is good, and the feed from the goggles is really well. Goggles are very comfortable, and if you wear glasses, you can easily wear glasses and get a really good display there. But yeah, I am having so much fun. So if you're looking for a Christmas present for somebody for $449, and you get all this combo, the drone, which is worth $169, 3 batteries, the goggles N3 and the motion controller, it really is plenty of fun. Again, only in beginner's mode, so nice and slow. I'm hoping to take it into normal mode, probably into the fields as I get a little bit more practice in. But I am absolutely loving FPV so far. Again, just to use it in your garden is so much fun at the moment. So yeah, highly recommend for you to check out the DJI Neo, and I think it'll give us so many uses for bringing you guys spectacular footage in 2025. So I hope you're enjoying this video, just flying around the garden and just showing you how much fun you can have out of this spectacular little drone. But a lot more that it'll do. It's got follow mode, so it can take off from your hand, this one, it'll follow you. And we've got voice recording, so much that you can do with the DJI Neo.